This is little Xander. He's in the bath. Yep. We call it going swimming. See baby Xander? Yep. Here's Xander's in his swim trunks, which he's wearing so that we can take a video and show it to people. There's a happy baby. Yep. Okay, you ready to take a bath? Okay. There he goes. Yep. Kicks. Splashes. Usually does this a lot more. Okay. Well, we'll get ready to wash Xander's hair and give Xander a bath. Okay, bye-bye, little swimmer, little tadpole. Bye-bye.